Hello Digital World! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kumusta kayo mga ka-selfie? So biyaheng Maynila muna tayo ngayon. Uli. So it is we are on our way to nasa expressway na tayo sa time na to. We are going to submit our terminal report. Si Manong Jan po yung ating driver, together with the executive dean, Sir Eugene, and Juben and Carl at team members sa ating project. Yung project natin is worth 7.5, entitled the Smart Library Campus Facilities, na grant naman sa atin. Napakalaking tulong sa ating department nito. So ito naman, na-enjoy natin. Tutulong pa nga yung kasamahan ko sa haba ng biyahe. So to fully understand yung project, magbibigay si Juben ng short EBP or briefer kung ano yung project na.
Good day everyone. Today I'll be presenting to you the project Smart Library Facilities for BSU Campuses. This project was granted by the Commission on Higher Education under the Institutional Development and Innovation Grant, amounting to 7.5 million. The project started last February 2022 and it ends last February 2024. Generally, the objectives of the project aims to equip libraries within the BSU campuses in terms of technology facilities. First, to integrate library system for all BSU campuses. Second, to capacitate libraries in terms of technology enhancement. Third, to develop digital services from the technology facilities. And lastly, to develop digital content counteract the impact of pandemic. The project has successfully achieved its objectives of modernizing library services, enhancing technology capabilities, and adapting to the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. The integration of library system across BSU campuses has been accomplished, facilitating seamless access to resources and streamlined operations for students and faculty alike. This achievement have significantly improved the efficiency and the effectiveness of library services university-wide. The capacitation of libraries through the Technology Enhancement Initiative has been a key milestone. Upgrades in the infrastructure, in the implementation of advanced technologies such as high-end computers, network infrastructures, servers, and digital scanners have been transformed BSU libraries into innovative hubs, equipped to meet the evolving needs of the academic community. The development of digital services from the enhanced technology facilities has revolutionized access to library resources. Online digital library resources, virtual reference services, and digital resources online delivery have been convenient and flexible option for users, enhancing the overall experience of the library users. Lastly, the project successfully addressed the impact of pandemic by developing the curation of academic digital content, by expanding access to ebooks, online database, and other digital resources. BSU Libraries has ensured uninterrupted learning and development activities despite of physical limitations. In summary, the Smart Library Facilities Project has achieved significant milestone in the library integrated library system, enhancing technology, developing digital services, and providing academic support during challenging times. This accomplishment have positioned BSU Library dynamic and resilient space that foster academic excellence and innovative across all campuses. In behalf of our University President, Dr. Felipe Salaing Cumila, and our project leader, Mr. Loren Kipaan, Director of University Library and Information Services, we thank you all for...
So yan yung briefer natin na ginawa ng Public Affairs Office. Thank you so much. So ayan, pauwi na tayo. Nakasubmit tayo ng report sa chat. Mga late 3 PM na po yan. Kasi balikan lang po tayo. So dumaan tayo dito sa Juan. Masarap daw dito eh. Sinabi ni Manong Driver, Sir Jan. So titikman natin yung mga lotong Kapampangan at Bulacan niya dito. So ito na nga. Nauna na yung kasamahan natin nag-order. Tikman natin. So na-enjoy naman natin yung meals dito. Habang pauwi tayo. That is the joy of traveling also. And after a few days, merong notice na magbibisit si Secretary Prospero Tibera or Sir Popoy in short. So, pinaghandaan natin ng konti para sa ating unveiling of the project. So, ito na. Gumawa tayo ng simple program para ma-welcome natin siya. And it goes well naman. So, meron mga unveiling gaya nito. And then, pa-picture with the office mates. Nabigyan din siya ng time na magsalita.
Since I became chair, we have been increasingly giving projects to state universities and colleges to improve their facilities, to make sure the needs of the students are met. And sa dami ng binigay, actually,
So yun, so that part, nabigyan siya ng time na magbigay ng kanyang message. Nabigyan ng time ng lahat ng audience na makapag photo ops. And then during the snack time,
Ito po yung foreign book, sir.
naglibot-libot din siya. Nabigla tayo doon. Gusto niyang mag-inspect yata. So, nabisit naman niya yung different corners ng library. Then we continue to have snacks together with this stuff. And then, nag-proceed tayo din sa College of Engineering kasi meron din isang project doon na na-unveil niya worth 25 million under the leadership of Engineer Dumalkin. So ito yun, it is intended for the College of Engineering. So maganda na yung gamit nila doon for their laboratories. So yan lang yung ating napakita kayo regarding the Smart Library Facilities Project natin dito sa ating university. By the way, nagpa-signature din ako ng aking university uniform t-shirt para akong basketball fan. So, para meron tayong remembrance.